Hi friends, now we'll discuss regarding Jainism. Jainism is one among the most ancient religions of our country. So Gandharas were first critics of our Vedic religion. So later they were called as the Nigranthas. Nigranthas means free from fetters. So Nigrantha Dharma is the ancient name of Jainism. So according to the Jaina Anushruti, 24 Tirthankaras are present. So the first Tirthankara name Rishabhanatha or else Rishabhadeva or Rishabhadatta. So he is the founder of the Jainism. 22nd Tirthankara name Aristanemi and 23rd Tirthankara name Parshanatha. So Parshanatha was the historical founder of the Jainism, and Parshanatha has established four principles of the Jainism. Those are Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya, Aparigraha. Vartamana Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankara in Jainism. Vartamana was born on 13th day of Chaitra month. So 30th year of Vardhamana's parents, his parents passed away. So due to the sorrow caused by the event, Vardhamana want to become ascetic. Ascetic means sannyasi. So the elder brother of Vardhamana, Nandivardhana, gave permission for Vardhamana's penance. After 12 years, Vardhamana got enlightenment on Vaishakha Dasami day. Vardhamana received the following titles after his enlightenment. Those are Jina, conqueror of wishes, and Mahavira means great conqueror, and Vijeta, ultimate conqueror, and Kevali means man with emissions. So Vardhamana added the fifth principle for the four principles laid by the Parshanatha, Brahmacharya, controlling the senses. Brahmacharya means controlling the senses. So the five fundamental principles of Jainism are called as a Panchavratas. Jamali was the first disciple of the Vardhamana Mahavira. So now we'll discuss regarding the principles of the Jainism. Jainism has not accepted authenticity. Jainism has not accepted supremacy. Has accepted the concept of God, but he is not the creator. Jainism has given utmost importance for non-violence. It prohibited agriculture as a profession, but it accepted artisanship. It accepting money laundering as a profession. Jainism has advocated a severe fasting called Sallekana. With Sallekana, the salvation Kaivalya is achieved. Chandragupta Maurya was the first ruler of the